Amana Error Code E06 indicates a low-pressure switch fault commonly found in Amana air conditioners, heat pumps, or refrigerators. This error signifies that the low-pressure switch, or LPS, has detected a problem, usually related to insufficient refrigerant pressure. The LPS is a safety device that monitors refrigerant pressure to prevent compressor damage by cutting power when levels are too low. This can be caused by refrigerant leaks from worn seals, a faulty switch itself, electrical problems like wiring issues, or blockages such as ice buildup in the lines. This segment explains the root causes of E06 and its implications for your appliance's performance and longevity. Low refrigerant pressure reduces cooling efficiency, shortens the compressor's lifespan, and can lead to total system failure if not addressed. We'll also touch on basic troubleshooting steps, such as resetting the unit by unplugging it for 5 to 10 minutes, checking if the error returns, and inspecting connections with appropriate tools. When faced with EU6, begin by unplugging the unit for 5 to 10 minutes to reset it. If the error persists, further inspection is needed. Check for obvious signs of refrigerant leaks, but remember that handling refrigerant requires EPA certification, so professional assistance is often necessary. Faulty LPS can be replaced, a task often accessible in many models, or the system may need a refrigerant recharge. Amana's recent appliances from 2025 and later feature smart diagnostics via the Whirlpool app, enabling remote resets and troubleshooting. For units under 5 years, approximately 50% of E06 errors are user fixable. Be aware of potential recalls for models with defective LPS switches. Remember that regular maintenance can significantly reduce the risk of E06, but always prioritize safety and consult a qualified technician for complex repairs.